Okay, welcome back everybody. So today I'm about to head to Best Buy because all these memory cards been filling up and I haven't been getting quite the right amount of time to try to get rid of things, see what I want to save. So let's go get the memory card. Peace out, see y'all there. Roll the intro. Well, I'm tripping. I said I'm going to get a memory card. Look, I'm gonna have to go get me some gas first. Cause I was supposed to get it yesterday, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna wait in the morning. So let me go fill up the tank. And then we on the way to Best Buy. So let's go, y'all. Get this memory card so I can keep making this content for y'all. You know, if y'all like it, let me know down in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe. And we about to keep it moving. Alright, y'all, about to get this gas, you heard me? Y'all, so we made it. Best Buy. Let's hurry up and go get this before this cart fills up. Let's go. Okay. On my way to the shop, so y'all, let's go. Okay, welcome back everybody. As you all can see, we made it to the shop. So let me get ready to open up this memory card. So when I get ready to tattoo, I ain't gotta worry about no space being full. We got all the space, so let's go. Okay, we got the design together in Procreate. Let's send it to the stencil printer. Printing out. Apply the stencil. I'll be adding the outline, starting with the 1 round liner. No, this is the 3 round liner. I did some of the bold. This is the 1 round liner. I did with the letters because they're small and so detailed. The shading I done with the 3 round liner. I've dropped it down to 6.5 volts so it moves slow so you can get that pepper shade. And all the lines I did at 8.5 so I get some clean lines. You're moving slow with the 3 round liner. You see those dots you get? It's called the pepper shading method. And also called stippling. So if you're interested in it, I believe I made a video. Check it out. And I had to go back and do some touching on this line. It looked a little thin, so I went back over that middle line. Let me know what you all think. We all finished up. I left that space so you can see that name well. Let me know y'all thoughts down in the comments below.